Conor Carmy here, and as the cameras flip round, you think go by. I'm Conor Carmy, and I'm with all my friends. It's an Elite Cruisers Carmy, and
DJ has friends. That's sad.
Funny, isn't it?
There was all
And
friends, it's fans.
it's Elite Cruisers made it, and it's good. First, I have this mint BM here. It's so nice. He rolled in earlier, and he just revved it the tiniest wee bit, maybe up the 3k revs, and it just banged and popped. It's so nice. And there's the Ford Focus ST, which shoots flames, and it's really loud, so it is, and it's really good. And then there's the Miata MX-5, the Elite Cruisers. He's the one that made the whole Carmy and give me a free sticker. Hold on. It's really good, and they give me a free sticker. And then there's an IS200, which is pure class. And then there's two people looking in the video. And there's a Mark 4 just sitting over there. Just sitting over there, sitting. Civics just rolling by. And there's an Audi and a Leon. An Audi and a nice Audi and a Leon. A Rican Leon. And then there's a Vauxhall over there, don't know what it is, but it's really nice. So it is. And then some Mitsubishi, don't know what it is. And then an Ibiza, Focus, Audi, Golf, MX-5, VXR, the EP3 sitting in the back, and a BM, and an Audi, and also over there is a Corsa B, and he's revving it, so he is. Yeah, it's a very good car meet, like. Spoons. Yeah, that was that. Revving that and making that noise. There's a nice Jetta just sitting here. And a BM. And a Rally Spec Clio rolled in. Sitting up there. And there's a Ricky Peugeot up there. And yeah. And an IS200 up there. Keep zooming in and out like that there. But it's a good car meet, like. It's a very good car meet. These are the 3 cars I would take, 100%. Leon's leaving, so it is. Well, I think. It's not leaving, it's just go over there. Yeah. It's parked up where it was. Don't know what it's doing. And then there's a Corsa B over there. So there is. It's really nice. Leaving a car meet now. Yeah, it was a good car meet. Like, we're just leaving a bit early, so.
Yep.
Aye.
Join us on the 23rd.
I come on the
3
23rd at 3 o'clock in Junction 1 to our big car meet, and it's going to be great.
Junction 1.